Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Pineapple Squad. If you haven't subscribe to our family here on YouTube, the Pineapple Squad. And today I'm going to show you guys the hairstyle that is my go-to-go hairstyle when it comes to transitioning. You guys know, if you haven't seen my previous video, I'm transitioning from keratin hair into natural hair, and I don't like wearing my hair like this. I feel a little weird like wearing it, like the curls are not good. I still have a lot of straight in my hair. This week I'm actually going for the to chop my hair a little bit, little, so I'm doing that this week. And yeah, today I'm going to show you a hairstyle that I've been loving for this past months, 2 months that I've been transitioning into natural hair. And the things I'm going to use is this right here, and this is a spray with water. I actually have two. I bought this one at Dollar Tree. Yeah, I bought this one at Dollar Tree, and I bought this one at Bed Bath & Beyond. You can use either one. They work the same. So that has water, so you can wet your hair a little bit. And I'm also going to use my Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. And it's this one. I already have some on, but I like to put some like in my edges, like right here, like a little bit more. And also, we're going to use these little curling rods. I don't have the package of where they came from. I actually threw it out by mistake. So these are the ones I'm going to use right here, and I have a lot of them. They come in a pack, and it is from Conair. Conair is really cheap. I got mine at Walmart. They bring a lot. They're not that big like for super long hair, but if you have medium to short hair, it's going to be really good for you. And they're these right here, and these are the ones that we're going to use today. I will leave it down below, the link at Walmart where I bought them. And also we're going to use this right here. This is a toothbrush. This is not the toothbrush that I use for my teeth. This is actually the one I used for like my little baby hair, so I'm going to use this one. And that is it that we're using today. The mail that we're going to try out, they were so kind enough to hit me up and asked me if I wanted to do this review for them. So this is it right here. It comes in 3, and this is the First Touchdown Edge Tamer. This is the Maximum Touch one. This is the Super Touch one, and this is the Ultimate Touch one. And I will leave down below all the information for these. And we're going to try these out today. We're going to see if they're good. You guys know I love my little baby hairs. So without further ado, if you want to know more about this, then don't forget to subscribe to the Pineapple Squad and join my family. And let's get to the video. So now I'm just going to let my hair down. As you can see, it's very straight. The curls are nowhere to be found. But I'm going to start with the bottom of my hair. Actually, I'm going to part my hair in two. I'm going to put this like this here. I'm sure you guys have seen this video like thousands of times, because I know I googled YouTube and like Google videos of how to do this, so I'm sure you guys have seen it. Like that. Now I'm just going to start with a little bit like that. Like this. And then some water. A little tiny of this. A little bit. And that's it. So we're just going to do that for the rest of my hair. So let's do it. So this is how it looks so far, and I still have to do this side, and I'm running out of them. I feel like I put too many on this side, and some of them broke. Like they just snapped, like the little thing just snapped. So these are not the best. They're the cheapest, but they're not the best. But I don't have a lot left. No. Alright, so I'm gonna finish the other side, and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I finished the whole thing, and on this side I have less than this side because I started on this side and then I went a little crazy and I knew I didn't have enough. But you're definitely gonna need more than one pack because some of them break, like I told you. Some of them break. But yeah, this is how it looks like. I'm just gonna spray a little bit of water just like that. And yeah, we're just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait half an hour and then take them off. I'm gonna go do homework because it's 12:26 a.m. Yeah, so I need to go to church tomorrow morning. I need to get up early. So I'm gonna go do my homework real quick and then I'll be right back, take them off and show you guys how they look. So I'll be right back. Look at the curl.
What? What little curl?
Come on the video.
Huh?
Can you come on the video?
Me?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, look at that curl. Oh, that's nice. Looks really good.
I think that's like what Tamer to wear.
La colocha.
I got done at like 12.
It's not good.
Smell in my hair.
Anyway, we're gonna wrap it up.
Alright guys, so this is how it looks like when you just take it off. And now I'm just gonna open it. It's still a little wet like in the roots, but I don't have time, you know. So if you're seeing that I have a different shirt on, like it's a different day, the other time that I did it, it didn't work out because I already have products in my hair and then added more. So then my curls just, it was greasy. It wasn't bouncy like this. It was definitely greasy. I will insert like a little clip here so you guys can see why I redid it. Oh my god, it looks so much better. The last time I did it, it didn't look like this. Like this is the best that it has looked. So I'm just gonna open all the curls and then I'm gonna let you guys know how I style it. So be right back. I am so happy in how this turned out. I'm telling you guys, this is the first time that this turns out like this. Like it's never looked better. Like I feel like it looks so much better this time than the other times that I've done it, and I'm so happy that it came out like this. And I'm just gonna keep opening some hairs like this. The more you open it, I feel like the better. And oh my god, these curls look so nice. Look how nice these curls look. They look so good. Don't you guys think it looks so good? Alright, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys these three little things right here, and these are by First Touchdown, and these are edge tamers. If you know, I love my little baby hairs here. So now we're just gonna finish this look off with these. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit more on what they are. This first one right here is this one, and this is the Edge Tamer Maximum Touch. And then this one is a Super Touch. This one is a little bit more stronger. And then this one is the Ultimate Touch. And I didn't even plan to tell you guys all of these in like order, but hey, this is how it looks right here. And I don't know which one I'm going to use. Let's see. All right, so I'm gonna use the Super Touch one, and I'm gonna open it, and it looks like this. And it brings like a little thingy right here. Looks like that. And now I'm just gonna take a toothbrush, and this is the one that I'm using, and this is not the one like I said that I brush my teeth with. This is something else. And I'm just gonna put all my hair back. I'm just gonna put the toothbrush in here. I don't know how you guys do it, but that's how I would do it. And I've been doing this with gel, so I'm so happy that they reached out and they wanted for me to review these because this is so much better to use. So I'm just gonna take my little baby hairs out. Oh my god, look at that. That looks so good. Looks good. That looks good. Wow, this is really good. It doesn't feel sticky and it doesn't leave it wet. That's one of the things that I don't like about the gel that I use. That I feel like it messes up my makeup all in my forehead because it just leaves it like wet looking, and then it just takes all my foundation off, which is really annoying. Oh, this is nice. like this. Then these little edges right here, pour them back. Look how nice this is just pushing your edges back like that. Oh my god, look how nice. Oh, this is good. I like this. My edges like that. This is perfect for a look like this because all these little hairs right here, you don't want to have them out. So this does a really good job, and so far so good. I really like this. I like how it did my edges. It just cleans up and everything looks so much cleaner up here, which is how I like it. And yeah guys, this is how my hair came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you guys want more hair tutorials. I have a lot of other stuff to show you guys about my hair journey. Let me open this one more time. I feel like this one's so fat. Okay. So I'm gonna be doing this hair journey for like a couple of years, to be honest, just to grow out my keratin. So throughout this whole years, I'm gonna show you guys everything, tricks and tips that I have in order to do the same thing that I'm doing. If you're starting or if you're already doing it, I'm still learning. I'm not the best yet. There's stuff that I still need to learn, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. God bless you, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye.